Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This morning I received my new Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette volume 2. So in today's video I'm going to be doing swatches, a tutorial with this eyeshadow look I'm wearing right now, and I'm going to be giving you guys my review and my thoughts on this palette. If you're interested, just keep watching, but first, like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you. I'm also having a giveaway going on right now. I will link all that information down in the description. Let's start the video. Okay guys, this is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. This palette retails for $39 on Morphe.com. As soon as I seen this palette, I knew I had to have it. I fell in love with it as soon as I seen it. It has some very bright, pigmented, bold colors, and it also has some very neutral, warm, natural colors as well. So you could either do a very bright, colorful look or a more smoky eye, natural look. And I'm so excited to be trying this palette. I can't wait to create a bunch of looks with it. Starting with the top row, Certified, I'm in it, Love Handles, Comfort Zone, Perfectionist, Ride or Diamonds, and Thick Skin. I do want to let you guys know that I am swiping my finger across the shade 2 times to get this pigmentation. Okay, row 2. No Joke, Talia, Feeling Myself, Homebody, Get Ready With Me, Bougie, and Drama Queen. You guys can probably tell that these shadows are very pigmented. Okay guys, this is row 3. Flawed and Odd, G Money, Positivity, My Man, Grateful, Heart On, and Living My Best. That last red shade I swatched, I noticed it is very pigmented. It is a matte shadow, but there is just a tiny bit of sparkle in it. Moving on to row 4, A Moment, Therapy Sesh, Lolly Mama, Tipsy Girl, Empowered, Next, and Dance Party. Okay guys, this is the last row. Stay True, Not My Journey, Good Place, I'm really not sure how to pronounce this one, Palo, Oh Hello, Crazy, and Temptress. Just after doing the swatches, I can already tell these shadows are very, very pigmented and creamy. I barely even have to put my finger in the shadow and there's already so much pigment on my finger. I'm loving them so far. Okay, I'm going to start off by priming my eyelids, and I'm going to be doing that with concealer. I do let the concealer stay wet. This is going to give more pigment on the shadows and help everything blend out better. Okay guys, the very first shade I'm going to be using is Not My Journey, and I'm going to be taking a small packing brush to apply that, and I'm going to be placing that shade in my outer corner and drag it all along the crease of my eye in a C shape. I'm really focusing on packing that shade on to get the full vibrant pigment. Next, I'm going to be going in with Therapy Sesh with a small blending brush, and I'm going to be blending that dark purple shade out that I just applied. I'm going to be blending in circular back and forth motions and blend until there is no harsh lines. Now with a fluffy blending brush with no product, I'm going to just be blending everything out even more. With that dark purple shadow again, I'm going to be blending that into the cut crease so there are no harsh lines where the shadow and crease meet. Now with the shade Livin' My Best, I'm going to be taking a small packing brush and I'm going to be blending that onto my cut crease and into the purple shadow. Next, I'll be using the shade Flawed and Odd, and I'm going to be applying that on the inner part of my crease. I'm also going to be blending that shimmer into the red I just applied earlier. Now I'm going to be wetting my brush, and this is just so the shimmer will pop a little more. I'm going to be taking the shade Talia, and I'm going to be applying that over the top of the shimmer shadow I just applied. This is going to make the shimmer shadow even more sparklier. Now with a flat defining brush, I'm going to be taking the shade Not My Journey, and I'm going to be smoking out my lower lash line. I'm going to be applying that dark purple as close to my lash line as I can. With the shade Therapy Sesh and a small blending brush, I'm going to be blending out my lower lash line. Again, I'm going to be taking that same blending brush with no product and just blend everything out more. The last shadow I'm going to be taking is I'm In It, and I'm going to be taking that and highlighting the inner corners of my eye. Okay guys, I went off camera and applied some lashes, and here is the final look. I really love the color scheme of this palette. All the shades are so pretty. Shadows are all very vibrant and pigmented. The shadows that I used blended together super easy. It was almost effortless. I'm very impressed with this eyeshadow. The formula is amazing. I'm super excited and can't wait to film some more tutorials for you guys using this palette. Comment down below and let me know what kind of colors I should do in my next look. Okay guys, this is all I have for you today. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up down below and turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I upload a video. If you would like to see another tutorial using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Volume 2 palette, comment down below and let me know. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.